There are certain types of jobs that are growing really fast right now. So today I want to talk about the types of careers that are expanding the fastest, why they're growing, and a few simple things your teen or young adult can do to get started in these fields. The first group are jobs that rely on real human interaction. I'm talking about jobs that require actual people skills like helping people, talking with people, calming stressful situations, teamwork, and empathy. Basically, anything where being a real human being truly matters. AI can support these jobs, but it can't replace the human part. And you'll see these kinds of roles in many different places like healthcare support, education, therapy clinics, nursing homes, youth programs, community work, and anywhere people genuinely need other people. This field is exploding right now because our population is aging, mental health needs are increasing, and families simply need more support. Some great starter roles are things like becoming a certified nursing assistant, patient care tech, EMT training, medical office assistant, teacher's aide, camp counselor, or youth program assistants. If your teen or young adult wants to move in this direction, the common college paths are things like nursing, psychology, social work, and education. And if they don't want to start with college, there are some strong non-college options too, like certified nursing assistant programs. They can do EMT training, medical assistant certificates, or basic childcare and youth program certifications like CPR and first aid. These human-centered jobs are strong because people still want to work with people, not machines. Another fast-growing area is the skilled trades, and this one's huge. These are careers where people build, install, fix, or maintain things, and no amount of AI can crawl under a sink, rewire a house, repair an HVAC unit, or fix brakes on a car. We're talking about things like electrical, plumbing, HVAC, welding, construction, automotive tech, and general maintenance. All the hands-on work that keeps communities running. Demand is exploding in these areas because so many skilled workers are retiring and we simply don't have enough people to replace them. Teens can start as HVAC assistants, electrical or plumbing trainees, welding trainees, auto tech helpers, or maintenance support. Some people go the college route with degrees in applied technology, construction management, automotive technology, or engineering technology, but honestly, most people actually start through non-college paths, like trade school programs, apprenticeships, pre-apprenticeships, and vocational school programs. These roles are great for young adults who like hands-on work, solving real problems, and learning by doing. Plus, the pay is really good right out of the gate, and it's one path where taking on student loan debt isn't necessary. Another field that's growing incredibly fast is cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are rising everywhere, and because of this, schools, hospitals, banks, small businesses, and companies need people who can keep their systems safe. Most teens won't start directly in cybersecurity, but they'll often begin in entry-level IT support roles and move up from there. These starter roles include things like troubleshooting tech issues, setting up accounts and devices, watching for problems, helping people with computer issues, and supporting the team that handles digital safety. You'll find these roles in almost every single industry. If your teen or young adult wants to go this direction, the common college paths are cybersecurity, information technology, computer science, or network administration. But there are also great non-college paths to look into. Things like the Google Cybersecurity Certificate, basic IT support courses, beginner networking classes, or simply starting out in a help desk or computer support role to get hands-on experience. This is a great fit for teens who like technology, problem-solving, puzzles, or troubleshooting. Another category that's growing really fast right now is what I call people plus tech jobs. I'm talking about jobs where you're using technology, but you're also working with real people. It's not coding, it's not deep tech, it's just using the everyday tools that keep a workplace running. And some of these jobs might use AI, but they don't rely on automation. These roles need a human. These are the kinds of roles where someone is organizing schedules, coordinating projects, helping customers or patients, supporting a team, updating basic information, or doing simple marketing tasks. Nothing super technical, just using tools plus good communication. You'll see these jobs in places like doctor's offices, hospitals, schools, marketing teams, HR departments, small businesses, and companies that need someone to just help keep everything moving. These roles are growing because companies can't replace the human part. The talking, problem solving, organizing, checking in with people, or helping a team work together. AI can help with the small tasks, but it can't run the whole show. So for teens and young adults, common starting roles would be things like office coordinator, marketing assistants, scheduling assistant, project assistant, or customer success support. Anything where they're using technology but also interacting with people. If a team wants to move in this direction, the typical college degree are things like business, marketing, communications, human resources, or healthcare administration. Anything that mixes people skills with a bit of technology. And there are non-college paths as well. A lot of teens start by learning basic office tools like Excel or Google Workspace, a variety of scheduling tools, simple project management tools, or fine-tuning their digital marketing skills. These are all totally doable for a young person just starting out. And this kind of work is perfect for teens and young adults who are organized, good with people, and comfortable using everyday technology to help things run smoothly. So what should teens and young adults do next? The good news is your teen doesn't need to master everything. They don't need a complicated plan. They just need to pick one small skill that shows up over and over again in the field that they're interested in and start learning it now. That could be Excel, Google Workspace, Canva, CPR or first aid, a trade pre-apprenticeship, a beginner IT course, scheduling tools, or even just learning how AI is being used in their field. One simple skill will put them ahead of so many other applicants who didn't take the time to prepare. And one thing we're teaching our own kids is this. Whether you love AI or you're not a fan of it, it's becoming a part of almost every industry. And the young adults who understand how AI is being used in their field are the ones who will stand out. AI might not replace the job itself, but the person who knows how to use AI in that job is usually the person employers want to hire. So I recommend that teens and young adults spend a little time researching how their field is using AI right now. What tools are people using? How are companies using AI to save time or make their work easier? And once they find out, they should start learning those tools on their own by watching online videos, earning beginner certificates through online courses, and whatever else makes sense for their field. Don't wait for schools to cover this because schools simply can't keep up with how fast AI is changing. It's really up to parents, teens, and young adults to prepare for the AI side of their future career. And here's the truth. The ones who take the time to learn this stuff now are going to have a much easier time getting hired. The ones who don't may have a harder time landing those dream opportunities later. And if you want a little help figuring out a future-proof path, I put together a free guide with 10 future-focused careers that are growing quickly and have a lower risk of being replaced by AI. It's totally free and you can download it below in the description or you can scan the QR code on your screen. And YouTube thinks you'll love this video next.